All right, this one is seriously cool. Astronomers have just captured an incredible image of a dead star racing through space, and it's leaving behind this glowing, curved shockwave that honestly shouldn't even exist according to our current math. The star is a white dwarf called RxJ 0528 plus 2838, sitting about 730 light-years away from us. It's what's left behind when a star like our Sun runs out of fuel and sheds its outer layers, shrinking down into a super-dense stellar core. Now, normally, white dwarfs are pretty quiet cosmic objects. They just slowly cool off over billions of years. But this one is anything but calm. Has a companion star roughly the size of our Sun, and the two are locked in a tight orbital dance. As they spin around each other, the white dwarf is literally stealing material from its partner, creating a constant gravitational tug-of-war that keeps things very active. Scientists first noticed something odd in images taken by the Isaac Newton telescope in Spain. There was this strange glow that didn't quite make sense, so they zoomed in with the European Southern Observatory's Very Large Telescope in Chile, using a powerful instrument called MUSE. That's when things got really interesting. They were able to map out the glowing structure in detail, tracing hydrogen, nitrogen, and oxygen, and what they found was a bow shock. Think of it like the wave that forms at the front of a boat as it cuts through water, except this is happening in space, as the white dwarf plows through an interstellar cloud. Here's where the mystery kicks in. Bow shocks usually form when stars blast out strong winds or jets powered by an accretion disk, a swirling ring of material falling onto the star. But this white dwarf doesn't have one. Instead, its magnetic field is so intense that it grabs the incoming material and funnels it straight onto the star's surface. And somehow, that magnetic field alone is driving a powerful outflow that's been shaping this bow shock for at least 1,000 years. The problem is, our simulations say that shouldn't be possible. According to everything we know, the magnetic field by itself shouldn't be able to keep this structure going for more than a few hundred years. And yet, here it is, still glowing, still pushing material aside. So scientists have given this unknown power source a fitting name: the Mystery Engine. Whatever it is, it's forcing astronomers to rethink how these extreme stellar systems really work. And honestly, that's what makes discoveries like this so exciting.